My dear viewers, now discuss carbon and its compound based on ICSE Class 8 Annual Exam 2026. Now discuss the MCQ at first. Number 1. In combined state, carbon occur as petroleum. Option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 2. A crystalline form of carbon is option D, fluorine. Okay, option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 3. Graphite is used to make the crucible because it is option D, that is high melting point. Option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 4. Diamond is used. Option C, that is cutting and drilling rock and glass. Option C is the right answer. Next question, question number 5. Carbon form innumerable compounds because option C, carbon atom can form long chain. Okay. Next question, question number 6. Which of the following allotropes of carbon is an electrode? That is option A is graphite. Okay. Next question, question number 7. Destructive distillation of coal oil. That is option A, B, C. That is option D is the right answer. All above. Okay. Next question, question number 8. Black minister fluorines is the allotropic form of carbon. That is option B is the right answer. Next question type, fill in the blanks. Diamond and graphite are forms of carbon. That is crystalline form. Okay. Lambac, charcoal and coal are example of allotropic form of carbon. That is amorphous. Okay. Next, lack of oxygen and excess of carbon dioxide in the black blood causes asphyria, one type of the human disease. Okay. Next, in black ministerables, that is the fluorines, carbon atoms are held together by covalent bond. Next, question number 5. All carbonates upon reaction with dilute acid give carbon dioxide, that is CO2. Next, the dash is present in both living and non-living things, that is element carbon. Next question, question number 7. The property of an element to exist in two or more forms but in the same physical state is called allotropy. Next question, dash and dash are two major crystalline allotropes of the carbon, that is graphite and diamond, and other crystalline form fluorine. But here the main major crystalline form graphite and diamond. Next question, question number 9. Dash is the hardest substance that occur naturally, diamond. Okay. Next question number 10. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo. Okay. Next type, true or false. Okay. Carbon occur as carbon dioxide in atmosphere. This statement true. Next, graphite is the purest form of carbon. False. Purest form diamond. Okay. Next, colorless diamond are crystalline, then colorless and transparent diamond. This statement false. Okay, that is the colorless and transparent sorry, diamond are crystalline than colored diamond. Next, question number 5. Graphite has layers of hexagonal carbon bonding. Okay, this statement true. Next, diamond is soluble in all solvent. False. Diamond is insoluble in all solvent. Graphite is a crystalline form of carbon. This statement true. Carbon is the fifth most abundant element in the universe. This statement false. Allotropy of the same element have different physical properties, but many have the same chemical properties. This statement true. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Okay, this statement true. Activated charcoal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. This statement false. Okay, next type, that is the question answer. What is the catenation? The property of an element, that is carbon, to form chain or ring by bonding with itself. Okay, name the one crystalline allotrope of carbon, diamond or graphite. What is the destructive distillation? Okay, heating a substance like coal strongly in the absence of air to obtain different product. Okay, next, what is the use of lambac? Or write the use of lambac. Use in ink, paints, rubbers, tire, shoe polish, etc. Okay. Next question. What is carbonization? The slow conversion of dead plant matter into coal under heat and pressure. Next, write the industrial uses of carbon dioxide and write down the harmful of carbon dioxide. Now, use of carbon dioxide exists here. Carbonate, drinking water, dry ice, cooling, and also use refrigeration. Okay, that is the carbon dioxide harmful. So, the harmful effect of the carbon dioxide, that is causes global warming by increase the greenhouse effect. Number 2, leads to climate change and extreme weather. High carbon dioxide level can cause breathing problems in humans, can make the air pollute and unhealthy. Also causes melting of glacier and rise in sea level. Why is carbon monoxide considered a poisonous gas? Because it combined with the hemoglobin in blood and prevent oxygen transport. Next, what is allotropy? Allotropy is the property of an element to exist in two or more different forms in the same physical state, having different structure and property. Carbon dioxide exists diamond and graphite. Next question, write two difference between diamond and graphite. Diamond is very hard while graphite is soft and slippery. Diamond does not conduct electricity, but graphite conduct electricity. Write to use of graphite used in making pencil lead. Okay, used as the electrode in batteries, electrolytes because it conduct electricity. Next, write the following answer briefly. The hardness naturally occurs substance, that is answer diamond. Uh, Greenish black non-metal, that is good conductor of electricity, that is graphite. The third crystalline form of carbon, fullerene. Okay, how many carbon atoms are there in black minister fullerene? 60 carbon atom. Okay, next question type, why is the graphite is a good conductor of electricity but not diamond? In graphite molecule, one valence electron of each carbon atom remains free. So it is very good conductor of electricity. But the diamond, there is no free or mobile electrons. So it does not conduct electricity. Okay, clear? Why is the diamond very hot? In diamond, a carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. Each carbon atom is linked with 4 neighboring carbon atoms, forming a rigid tetrahedral structure. Due to this strong bonding, diamond is very hard. Okay, what is fluorine? Name the most common fluorine. Fluorine are the third crystalline form of carbon. Fluorine, many types of this is the part for the atoms are held together under 60 carbon atom case-like structure. Okay, most common fluorines, that is the black mister fluorines or black ball. Okay, next question, what impurity is present in black diamond? Black diamond have copper oxide present in them as an impurity. Next question, what are composition of producer gas and water gas? Composition of producer gas, that is carbon monoxide and nitrogen. Composition of water gas, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Next question, write down the use of sugar charcoal. Use of sugar charcoal, that is reducing agent in chemical reaction, use in marks to absorb the harmful gases, use as fuel, use to laboratories for the experiments. Okay, my dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers.